Yo, what is going on guys, and welcome back to our brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get more likes on your YouTube videos that you upload to your channel. And I'm also gonna announce that I'm doing a giveaway in this video, and it's quite different. It's not like the usual giveaway, since you actually have to do a few things, and it's easier for you to win if you actually want to win. So the way you win is that you have to get your name, your YouTube channel name, commented on this video the most amount of times. So let's say someone gets their name commented 10 times and another guy gets their name commented 20 times, then obviously the guy with 20 comments will receive the giveaway. So if you want to win this giveaway, you should get your friends to comment your channel name on this video, and I'm actually gonna pick 5 winners. There is a lot higher chance of you winning since there are gonna be 5 winners, and I'm gonna pick the winners tomorrow, so I can actually see which comment or which channel name has the most comments mentioning their name on this video. So if you want to win this shoutout, then go ahead and enter it. Tell your friend to comment your name on this video. And yes, so I'm also gonna give you the shoutout on my community page or community tab, so a lot of people will be able to see it. And as I said, I'm gonna do 5 giveaways, and I'm gonna space them out a bit so that every single giveaway gets the amount of attention it deserves. So without out of the way, let's get into what this video is actually about. So my first tip is to make videos that are like-worthy. So if your video has high quality, then of course people are a lot more likely to like your video just naturally. So try to make quality videos, and it should educate the viewer and answer the viewer's question if it's an educational video, or entertain the viewer, or just, you know, cover a subject well. So if you make naturally good content, then the likes are actually more likely to roll in. But my second tip will actually help you a lot more if your content isn't that good, since this tip is to tell your viewers to like your video. So as I've said in my previous videos, telling your subscribers or telling your viewers to subscribe to you increases the chances of them actually subbing to you after watching the video. And the same goes with likes. So you can tell your viewers to like your video, and you should tell them why they should do that. Maybe if they like the video or if they found it helpful, then they should like. So go ahead and ask them that. You should like say, liking this video helps me to create more videos just like this one, and that might make them more, you know, kind to leave a like on your video. And my third tip is to gain lots of subscribers. So we all know that subscribers are a lot more likely to like your videos, to watch your videos, to watch large portions of your videos, since they are there for a reason. Random viewers that just finds your video on their homepage or on your YouTube or on their YouTube search, they're not really likely to subscribe or like your video, since they are actually looking for something. They're not there to support you as a creator. So if you can get people to subscribe to you and stay loyal to your channel, then these people or those people are a lot more likely to both like and subscribe, or not subscribe, both like and comment on your videos. Another tip is to promote your videos everywhere. So you can grab your video link, and this link can be used to share it everywhere on every social media page that you have. So let's say you have a lot of subscribers or a lot of followers on Instagram, then you could share the video link on Instagram or in your bio or in a new post, and all of your followers on Instagram will be able to see that link, and that's how you can get a lot more traffic from different places other than YouTube. You can also use Twitter if you have a Twitter page with a lot of followers. You can use Facebook. There's a lot of different social media platforms that you can use to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. So go ahead and use that tip if you have a lot of followers outside YouTube. Another tip is to post videos consistently. So as I've said in my previous videos, if you post videos consistently, then your viewers or subscribers are more likely to stick around, since they know that more content is coming and they want to support you as a creator. So if you upload maybe once or twice a week, that's not enough, since people will forget about you. You should upload maybe every other day or every day if you want to, since then people won't forget about you. They'll get a notification every time you upload a video, and then they're more likely to click on the notification, go into your video, watch the entire video, like and comment, which will give you more engagement and more likes, which is what you want. So go ahead and upload consistently. It will really help you in the long run. Another tip is to watch my other video where I show you how to get more subs on YouTube, since having more subscribers will actually increase your chances of your viewers liking your video, since having a lot of subscribers looks a lot better than just having like 10 or 100 subs. So maybe you should focus on increasing your subscriber amount before trying to increase your likes on your videos. But you can actually do this at the same time. You just have to watch all my 3 different videos. I actually have one about how to gain more views, which will help you gain more subscribers, which will help you gain more likes. I have 3 videos on my channel right now, and you should watch every single one, since it will truly help you build your YouTube channel and get monetized in the future. Another tip is to maximize your search engine optimization. So what SEO is, it's a practice of ranking high on YouTube or on any search engine, and YouTube is actually a search engine for videos on their website. So there is a few tips that you can use to rank higher than everyone else for a specific keyword or specific keywords, and I'm actually going to show you guys a few strategies in this video too. So the title has to be good to rank high on YouTube. You have to include the keywords that you think that the viewers are gonna search for, since those are the keywords that you are gonna have to rank on. So you don't just have to use one keyword, you have to use a few different keywords that viewers will include in their search on YouTube. So go ahead and do that. But also, you should use the same keywords in your description, but in a sentence or a few sentences, since this will let YouTube know that the video is actually about what the title is about. And you know, YouTube is all about giving the viewers the right experience, the best experience. And if YouTube is certain that your video is related to their keyword search, then you're more likely to rank higher up and get the clicks on your videos. And another way that could help you get the actual click is to use good thumbnails, as I have said in my previous videos. So you should have a thumbnail that sticks out from the crowd, and that looks compelling, and you know, it shows that your content is good and it's worth watching. So don't forget to have a custom thumbnail, and if you don't know how to do that, then just tell me in the comment section below, and I might actually make a video in the future showing how you can do that. But I can also just say in this video that you have to verify your YouTube channel with your phone number, and if you're on a phone, then you can add a custom thumbnail in your YouTube Studio app, but if you're on a PC, then it's just in the regular uploader. Now another tip is to use end screens at the end of your video. So what are end screens? Well, it's basically your channel, or you can actually customize whatever you wanted to say, but usually it's your channel and a video that you want your viewer to watch. So if you scroll all the way to the end, or if you watch this entire video, then you'll see that there are a card on the screen and my channel. And you can also use this on your videos, since it will help bring the traffic to not only the video they're watching right now, like you're watching this one, but you can also bring the traffic to your other videos, and that can help them like those videos too, so that your overall channel likes will go up. So go ahead and use end screens. It will truly help you just you know, throw around the viewers to all of your videos, which will help you gain more views, likes and subscribers. And that's a very helpful tip that I'm actually using right now. And if I'm using it, then you should be using it, since you know that this video has a lot of likes. As you can see, it has a lot of comments, so I know what I'm talking about, and I want to show you guys exactly how to do it as well. So just follow all the tips that I said in this video and you'll be good to go, okay? So if you like this video, please go ahead and like the video as well, physically, and comment down below, and don't forget to enter the giveaway, since that will truly help you out for real, since that will get your traffic immediately after I shout you out. So if you didn't get what I said in the beginning, you have to get the most comments mentioning your name in the comments section. So I recommend you to tell your friends to comment your channel name, and I can actually see who has commented the most, or whose channel name has been mentioned the most in the comment section. And as I said, I'm gonna pick 5 channels, and I'm gonna shout them out on my community page, and that will get you a lot of views, a lot of likes, and a lot of subscribers, and that's my way of giving back to you. And that's all I want to say in this video. So as I said before, please like it, comment your channel name, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.